So there's a huge discussion going on right now. What Air Jordan 11 is dropping for 2023 Christmas time frame? And me myself, I have my own personal opinions and predictions. And there's other people out there that's always putting us sneakerheads on game. And we're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. Let's jump right into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We are back, man. We are back, and today we get to talk about what everybody likes to talk about in the month of January. What sneaker is dropping all the way in December? You know what I'm saying? We got to get that anticipation. We got to build that hope up for the sneaker. And if it's a sneaker that I want, I know myself, I know I'm at least get like 2-3 pair. That's just me, because I've been waiting on this shoe for a very long time, and I used to have it in the collection, which is crazy. But if you guys new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. You guys know, man, we on that grind to 100K, and we ain't that far away. So I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me so far. But real quick, before we jump into it, I need everybody to slap the like button. The goal for every single video is 500 likes. So you guys have been killing it lately, but let's hit that 500 like threshold every single video. That's gonna help us hit that 100,000 subscriber mark very soon. So if you're watching, hey, hit that like button, man. All right, so if you guys do not know who Z Sneakerheads is, he pretty much puts everybody on game. He talks about what's dropping. He mocks up the colorways. You know what I'm saying? He the first person that I go to see what is Jordan brand dropping this year, what's confirmed, what's not confirmed, and what can we expect for, you know, the following months in the year. And he dropped a video, I think it was about a week ago. Yeah, it had to be about a week ago. And he talked about that Air Jordan 11 that he thinks will come out. Is not confirmed yet, but he said this is a sneaker that he thought it was. And he mentioned a couple of times the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. Now these bad boys right here, I actually had them in the collection. Like I literally had them, and guess what I traded them for? I traded them for a pair of Air Jordan 12 taxis. At the time, I thought that was cool. Like I was like, you know what? That's an even trade. I was done rocking my 11, so I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get these taxis up off you. But now I regret it so much because I miss my Legend Blues like crazy. But the good thing about if they do drop this year, which I believe myself they will drop, because it's been about what 5-6 years since they dropped these, and we previously got in the Breads, Concord, Space Jams, Jubilees, and we just got the Cherry 11. So it's about time for them to spin them Legend Blues back in there with that high cut patent leather, because the previous pair of the Legend Blues that they dropped had the low cut like you guys see on these Air Jordan 11 lows right here. I'm gonna definitely give you out some B-roll. I know it's kind of bright right now, but the main attraction for the Legend Blues is that outsole. You know, so you can see that the pop of that Legend Blue down there, and the crispy white upper of these joints. And I can just imagine what it's gonna look like with the high cut patent leather on the Legend Blues. I'm just gonna go crazy, bro. That's why I said, like, if they drop these, I know I'm gonna get 2 pairs, and hopefully I hope that they drop it in the box we used to get. You know what I'm saying? The slide out, the film over it, and all that good stuff. That's what I want. Like Jordan brand, you got to go back to that, especially when we get Legend Blues back, especially if we get another pair of Breads or Concords. Like, we got to get the slide out box, man. Lately they've been just throwing in a regular box. And the last one that came with like something special was the Jubilees. The Jubilees had kind of like this little double opening of the box. I thought that was pretty cool. So hopefully they go back to the old ways, give us some cool boxes, some cool presentations, because I know a lot of people are excited to see the Legend Blue 11s back. Me myself, I already know I am. And then the next Air Jordan 11 that a lot of people wanted to come out, I even talked about this last year, what Air Jordan 11 was dropping in 2022, and I had mentioned it, and it was the Air Jordan 11 Gammas. Now these right here are not the Gammas, but they look so similar to the Gammas. As you guys can see, these are the prom nights or the cap and gowns, whichever one you want to call them, but they had that Gamma outsole. Now a couple of differences between these and the Gammas: you had like some actual Gamma hits on the tongue, and I believe you had the 2-3 on the back as well, but just making these a little bit more distinct from the cap and gowns. These right here is crazy. I really do like them. You guys can see they're not laced. I definitely got to get some wears out of these right here. One of them times, you know, stepping out with all black things with the nice dark blue outsoles. I really like that. The Gammas just set themselves apart from these like crazy, because that one was a shoe that released when I was in high school. I remember all my boys camping for them. They come back to school that next Monday rocking them, looking fresh, and I'm like, bro, I'm gonna get them eventually. I'm just not dropping that $600-700 that they want for them now, so I know eventually they're coming out. I don't know if it's gonna be this year, I don't know if it's gonna be next year, but I know the Gammas are definitely on the way. And then the last Air Jordan 11, I even talked about this one as well, is the Pantones. Now the only reason I keep talking about the Pantones because I only remember them dropping like one time. So I think like Jordan Brand, like, come on now. Even if you don't drop the Pantone highs, at least drop the Pantone lows so somebody can, you know, have something like the Pantone highs. That sneaker right there kind of holds a lot of weight. I didn't mention on my top 5 Air Jordan 11s just because he didn't wear them. He didn't, like, you know, put no work into them. And you guys already know the history with the playoffs, the Concords, Space Jams, you feel me? Pantone's just a cool, crazy colorway. It's like that UNC color that everybody loves. So that's another sneaker that I wish that Jordan Brand does bring back out. Maybe they do like a double Jordan 11 drop. Who knows? They did it last year and the year before. You guys know last year we got the Cherry 11s and the women's Air Jordan 11 Midnight Navies. So I'm definitely going to cross my fingers. I'm going to keep trying my best to put these videos out so Jordan Brand can at least look at them one time. Bring the Pantones, bring the Legend Blues, bring the Gammas back. And it's a couple other silhouette and colorways that I definitely want to bring back as well. But we're going to talk about another video today. We're sure talking about Air Jordan 11s. And I want you guys to let me know, what Air Jordan 11 do you want to see Jordan bring back out retro? Let me know down below in the comment section right now. I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Today, I think it was the Air Jordan 7 olives that dropped and the Air Jordan 9 olives. I'm not too sure, but if you did cop them, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm very interested in knowing how people is feeling them. I know it's gonna be some sitters. People do not really like Air Jordan 7s like that. If you guys want to check out what Air Jordan 7s I have in my collection, I got an entire sneaker collection going on right now on my YouTube channel. It's a pin video. I appreciate everybody for watching it, but if you want to skim through, check out a couple pair of Air Jordan 7s, hey, definitely go tap into that one. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a huge like. You guys already know we're going to be bringing you guys more and better content, and of course some more early looks. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks for coming and watching another video, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.